How to transfer money on Revolut. So to transfer money on Revolut, first open the app and next navigate to payments at the bottom. Next, once you're in payments, click on the plus icon in the top right corner. Here you're going to see various different ways that you can actually transfer money from Revolut. So you can transfer to your Revolut friend, to a bank recipient, a card recipient, a group, you can send money internationally, or you can create a payment link. So let's say that you would like to send it to a bank recipient. Click on bank recipient. Here you will need to fill out the account details. So first choose whether it's individual or a business account. Next choose the country region of recipient's account. Then choose the currency, in this case it's euro. Then fill out their IBAN. So this is the international business account number. Then their first and middle names, last names, and an email is optional. Once you fill out the details, click on add recipients. Next is going to ask you how much money you would like to transfer. So let's just say that I would like to transfer €5. Then you also have the option to add a reference right here. Then you can also choose which account you would like to transfer it from by clicking on this little drop down right here. And you will see all of your different accounts that you have on Revolut. Now, once you have the amount, the account, and the reference, simply click on continue. Here is going to ask you to review your transfer. So you can see who you're transferring to, what's your reference, what's the amount, how much are the fees, and if you would like to add it to your trusted accounts. And once everything looks good, click on send and your money is going to be sent to the recipients. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.